Hey everyone, MrTass here, MrTass Tech Reviews. So this is a little different than tech reviews. Well, this goes with tech, but as you know, I run a 3D print shop, MrTass 3D print shop. You can find it on Etsy.com. I print filament, I print resin. But one thing that happens when you're printing in filament is you get clogs, or you get stuff that's stuck in there and you can't get it out. And you have to take apart the print head, and it's really freaking annoying. But since I've had No Clogger, and I've had their original version, the one you see on the bottom there with the round handle. I've had that for over a year. I have used these things a lot to just clear basic problems without having to go deep into removing the nozzle and all the different stuff. And so they've been really helpful. Well, it looks like they have a new version, new type of handle on the end of it, and that's what we're going to go over here today. So this is the No Clogger, unclog any 3D printer in a few seconds. It's basically just a heavy duty metal rod that you can shove in and squirt out the filament after you heat it up. It's the 1.75 standard, and you can see different types there that it feeds in through, and you just push the filament through and clear up the clogs. Very quick. You can also use it there. You can see on the Bowden tube to help get extra out. They do some print glue, some different things that way. There'll also be an affiliate link in the description, and also you can get it on Amazon if you don't want to get it from their website directly, although I think it's cheaper from their website. But let's get into it and see what we've actually got in the box. So the box, basic white box here, shipped, but inside they did send me some of their 3D printing glue, so I can check that stuff out later. Industrial strength. We'll set that aside, and I got a little letter here. Says, we truly appreciate you giving No Clogger a chance. I'm delighted for your feedback. Some QR codes. There's also a model that they offer that you can download and print of Alcatraz, I believe it is. And it does say set it to 380 or 280 or 300, basically to just heat up the nozzle before you push. And inside here, they give you some razor blade to clear it off with. And this is the newer version of the handle. And you can see there, just push it down, shove it in. We'll set the box aside. It does give you this little protective tip. And of course, being 3D printing people themselves, it is 3D printed on the handle and the little cover. But there you can see, just nice, strong wire. You can shove it in. I mean, it's a simple concept, but it really makes a huge difference. And then you can also use this to set the depth beforehand so you don't go too far. So you can use that as a gauge of where you're at. So that's the new one. These are the original. As you can see, I have a bevy of colors, but there are also two different lengths. If we can get that fully in frame there. So look in between them. And this has been useful, particularly like Bowden tubes or longer distances. But if you look at this guy here, see if I can get it to focus, he's seen some hard use. You can see some different filament. I mean, he's a little bent. I mean, they've seen some use, and they are holding up, and they keep doing what I need them to do. So I can suggest No Clogger if you have 3D printing and you need a way to just clear it out and make it easier. Go check out their website, check out the affiliate link. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Until next video, that's all. I mean, I would demo this for you, but you can clearly see on the other pictures, it's just you shove it in and it squirts the filament out. So I hope that's helpful. Definitely a worthwhile endeavor. Till then, later.